this video, we're gonna talk about Scientist Practitioner Model. Scientist Practitioner Model is a professional psychology emphasizes the integration of scientific research and practical application in the field. It's training model that aims to produce psychologists who can effectively apply research findings to their clinical practice while also being informed by their experience in practice when conducting a research. Scientist Practitioner Model developed during 1949 Boulder Conference to guide clinical psychology training. To guide this research aimed to bridge the gap between scientific research and clinical practice. And also, the goal of this model is to train professionals to be both skilled research and effective practitioners in their field. In Scientist Practitioner Model, they don't just rely on tradition or intuition, but they are very solid in using data and current research to guide every assessment and intervention, ensuring the results are evidence and effective. As a practitioner, they take that scientific knowledge and apply it in real-world settings, offering treatments that are not only effective but also ethical and carefully tailored to each client's unique needs. But their work doesn't stop there. In the integrator role, they become the bridge between the lab and the therapy room, using research to shape their practice while together. These rules reflect a well-rounded, reflective, and responsible professional who is deeply committed to both science and the art of their work. The Scientific Practitioner Model is built on the set of core beliefs about what makes professional practice truly effective. At its foundation is the idea that the best care comes from approaches grounded in scientific evidence, not guesswork or tradition. Practitioners are expected to do more than just apply existing knowledge. They're both consumer of research, staying up to date with the latest findings, and producer of research, contributing their own insight to advance the field. This continuous loop between science and practice is assumed to lead the better outcome for clients, as interventions are only not informed by research but also shaped by real-world experience. Quality care is also seen as something that must evolve. It requires constant evaluation and adjustment to remain effective and ethical. There's an understanding that professionals have a larger role to play. They are part of the community responsible for building and improving the field through thoughtful, evidence-informed work.